Hello everyone. In this video lecture we are going to see some of the topics related to module 4, mainly problems. Question paper problems we are going to solve in this video lecture of operating system subject with the 17CS64 code. In the previous video lecture we completed memory management topics. Here one of the topic in the memory management is page replacement. Page replacement, we have some algorithms. We are going to concentrate some of the problems, question paper problems, which is in the question paper they asked some problems related to this page replacement algorithm. We are going to solve that here. Now before solving that problem we will go for that concept in briefly. This same slide I explained in the previous video lecture. Now here we have secondary memory. Secondary memory we have a lot of process. Each process we are going to divide into small blocks, that is called pages. Like that all processes are divided into pages. Depend on size of the your process, we are going to divide pages. Now many pages or many processes are there in your secondary memory, but our we have to concentrate one of the thing, that is many process we have to take inside your main memory for execution purpose. And you know that the all process come to your main memory, and whatever the thing is there in your main memory, that only execute in the CPU. Secondary memory data is not executed, so in order to execute anything in CPU we need that data in main memory. So that's why we are taking process inside your main memory. That is the concept here. Now here we are divided, right? Divided process into pages. Like that your main memory is here, that also we are going to divide into some blocks. That is called, each block is called frames. Here this is frame and this is pages. Page concept, your process we are dividing into pages. Main memory we are dividing into frames. And here many times size of the main memory is limited. Size of the main memory is that means limited. Okay, that's why here we can't take many process inside your main memory. Your size of the process is depends, right? Depend on size. Some of the process we can take here, some of we can't. But if you want to take more process inside main memory, we have to divide that page, and page by page some of the pages in process 1, some of the page in process 2, and some of the page in process 3. Like that we are going to take pages into your main memory. By that CPU will think that all the processes are there in main memory. So this is just illusion. That is concept called virtual memory. Virtual memory. Here main memory some part is completely given to OS, operating system, and remaining part is user part. That part we are going to divide as frames, and each frame we are going to take some pages initially. Process 1 related we have here totally 4 page, that means P0 to P3. Here 1 or 2 page we are going to take here, and whenever CPU asks, then we can swap that from that particular we can move here, and whichever asked that we can take in this place. That is a swapping, that we can do that. So here now first consider CPU ask some page. Okay, CPU going to ask some page. At that time that asking is there, right? That is through logical address. Logical address contain page number and size of the page, that is sent to your memory. But before that, here memory having physical address, CPU will send logical address. In order to convert, for that purpose we are using one memory management unit. So memory management unit will manage one of the table, that is called page table. That page table contains your page number. Here we have page number, and whatever inside, that is called frame number. That means which page is saved in which frame. Okay, here anyway we are going to save page in particular frame, right? Anywhere in the memory you can save that particular frame, but where you saved that data we need, that is called page table. For each process we have one page table. So here we have 3 process, that 4 process, right, P0 to P3, that 4 process where we saved in your main memory, that related information is there in one page table. Like that, for each process we have different page tables. All page tables are saved in, that is also in main memory itself. So whenever we want that page table, we are going to check that. Till that is saved in your main memory. So now consider CPU asking some page number, okay, of particular process, that is asked with the page table of that particular process. Which process page number they are asking, that means CPU, that page table we are going to take here and searches for page. So now here 0th page of process P1 is saved in frame 1. Here it is there, that's why it is shown. But first page of process P1 is not there in your page table. That means that is not taken inside main memory, that is there in your secondary memory itself. We have to take that. CPU asking means we have to take that. Till that no problem, but CPU ask mean we have to take that. So here now consider when CPU asking page 0 of process 1, so that entry is there in it goes to page table. Now page table it searches the frame number is F1, that F1 is searched in your main memory. So 1, F1 means this one frame number 1. So there we have page 0 of page 1. So here we have data, that is page 0 we have here. So that page is captured and sent to CPU. So that concept is called page hit. Page hit means that entry is there in your main memory, that is called page hit. And now consider CPU asking for page 1 of the process 1. Now page 1 of process 1 is sent to logical address searches in page table. Here page 1 is nothing is there, right, here completely blank. That means in your main memory that page 1 is not there. So that's why page table also blank. If there is any entry, definitely page table also filled. So but in main memory we don't have page 1, that's why here there is no entry. That's why here page 1 is not there, here blank. What to do now? Operating system, now it already asked, right, page 1, CPU asked page 1, but that is not there in your main memory. So at that time OS, operating system, job is to take in that required page from the main that is the secondary memory to main memory. OS job is to take that required page number to main memory. There we have one concept. If there is any free frame, then we can load there. But if there is no free frame, we have to replace any one of the page. That means we have to take that already saved, we have to take in the secondary memory. At that time this is free. So for that place we have to move required page. Okay. So this concept is called swap in and swap out. Swap in means taking this page from secondary to primary memory. Swap out means taking page from primary memory to secondary memory. This is the two operations. Now here operation is page we are going to move outside. At that time this is blank, and required page from the secondary memory we have to take in main memory. This is called page replacement. Okay, algorithm is page replacement, replacing that particular page from main memory to secondary memory. We are taking another page to main memory. That is called page replacement, replacing the page. But for that particular algorithms also we used, because you have to see, right, which frame we have to, sorry, which page we have to move into secondary memory. Who is victim? Which page we have to move into secondary memory? That thing we have to see. For that purpose we are going to see some of the algorithms, 3 to 4 algorithms we have in this method, page replacement algorithm. And here page hit concept I told. So what do you mean by page fault? We have another concept, page fault. CPU asking for page number, particular page number, and that is searched in page table, but that entry is not there. That means here in memory that part is not there. So at that time OS job is to take that page from secondary memory to primary memory. So here this concept is called page fault. So there is no page, so page fault is there. So if there is any page, that is a page hit. If there is no page in page table, that is called page fault. So we have to avoid page fault If lot of page faults is there, then there is a chance of decreasing performance and decreasing degree of multiprogramming. So we have to decrease that. Our aim is to decrease page faults. Now we will see that that page fault, page hit concept and page replacement concept also. Now we will go for some of the we seen this page fault, demand paging. Yeah, demand paging means CPU demands for that particular page through logical address. Once that demand came, if that page is not there in your page table or main memory, OS will take that page from secondary memory to main memory. So demand is there, that's why it is supplied. Demand and supply. So this concept is called demand paging. Okay. And the last, page replacement. We are replacing that page in the main memory. That concept is called page replacement. Here we are going to see this concept, that is a page replacement algorithm concept. So page replacement algorithm, what are the algorithms we are using to replace that particular page? Who is a victim in that main memory? Who will this one, what is that? Which page we are going to move that from primary memory to secondary memory? For that we have these algorithms. FIFO is the one algorithm, first in first out. Optimal page is second algorithm. LRU is third one. Second chance is another one. Totally four. These very important algorithms, all four. Any one of the question you can expect from in the exam. Now we will see one by one. First one, that is the FIFO. FIFO page replacement, a simple and obvious page replacement strategy is FIFO. Full form is first in, first out. Who will come first? He will go first. Okay, first in, first out. This algorithm associates with each page the time when that page was brought into memory. Just to see this, when the page was brought into memory, when a page must replaced, the oldest page is chosen. So we will see that with the example. What is a FIFO? Here. Now this is a given problem. Reference string is given here. What is the reference string? This is the demand by the CPU. These are the pages. Okay, I will repeat. These are the pages demanded by CPU. So now these 1, 2, 3, 4 are the pages. CPU will ask these pages for execution purpose. Now our OS job is to supply these pages to your CPU. So is that pages are there in your main memory or not? We have to check that. So here you can see one table. Okay, that table here, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. 3 frames are there. Frames are where we have frames in main memory. This is a main memory chart. Okay, we have 3 frames. So how these is that particular page is there in your main memory or not? We have to check that. If not, we have to go for page fault. If yes, if that page is there, then that is called page hit. Okay, and we have to calculate how many page hit is there, how many page fault is there. So that we have to use algorithm FIFO. Now frame size is given. In exam they will give frame size 3, 4, 2, 5 like this. Different frame size. Here we considered, for example, frame size is 3. Frame size 3 means we have 3 frames. Frame size 4 means we have 4 number of frames. 5 means 5. 2 means 2 frames are there. Like this. So here we have a string. This is the string. Here whatever given string we have to write here. Okay. All strings we have to write here. Now first we have to start. What is the required page? 1. Is that page is there in your main memory? This is your main memory. Okay, 3 frames. Is that page is there in your main memory? No. Required page is 1. That page is not there in your main memory. All 3 full memory is blank. So we have to take that particular page from secondary memory to primary memory. Now if that page is not there in your main memory, that is called page fault. Okay, page fault. So I will represent that page fault with the star mark here. Fault bar hit, I written either fault or hit, I have to write here. So I will represent that fault as a star mark. Hit as I am not mentioning anything for hit. For fault I am putting star mark. Now here we have fault because nothing is there in your main memory. but CPU want page number 1. Is that any entry of page number 1 here? No. So what is OS job is to take secondary memory to primary memory. Take that page. Okay, take that page 1 from secondary memory to primary memory. Where we have to save? Here. Oh, anyway, it is blank, right? Save here. We always start from here. 1, 2, 3 like this. Save here. Yes, I saved that page here. Okay. Now this is page fault because initially nothing is there. I am going to take that from secondary memory. If you taken from secondary memory, definitely that is a page fault. So now, which is the next one? 2. Next one asking is CPU asking is 2. Is there any entry of 2 here? No, right? So initially we have 1. So next we have to enter 2. That means the 2 is not there in your main memory, so we have to take from secondary memory. So that is also page fault. So 1, 2. So I will continue like this, okay, from left side to left to right. 1, 2. This is also page fault, so I written star here. Okay. Now 3. Is there any entry 3 here? 1 is there, 2 is there. Now other entries are not there. So CPU asking for 3. So what is our job? So CPU asking means OS job is to take that page number 3 from secondary to main memory, and entry you have to enter any one of the space. That means here it is a blank, right? So we can take that 3 here. So I will take that 3 here. So anyway we are taking from secondary memory, right? That's why again page fault. Page hit means that entry is there here. Page fault means that particular required thing is not there here. That is page fault. Now 4. CPU asking 4. Is that entry is there here? 4 page is there here? No. Only 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Required is 4. So we have to replace that. We have to replace. For that purpose we are using one of the algorithm that is called FIFO, replacing algorithm. Which of the 3 frame we have to replace, that concept. So concept is FIFO. Which is came first? 1 is came first here. Out of 1, 2, 3, 1 is came first here. We have to say this one. Okay, 1 is came first, then 2, then 3. So we have to remove 1 here and add 4. See, I removed 1 and added 4, but 2 keep it as it is, 3 keep it as it is. Here also this is a page fault because why? 4 is not there in this entry. That's why I taken from secondary memory to main memory. This is main memory now. Okay, now this 3 row is main memory. Now 4, 2, 3 is there. Out of 4, 2, 3, what is the next required page by the CPU? 2. Is that entry is here? Yes, that entry is there in your main memory. So is that page fault or page hit? Page hit. This concept is called page hit. Required page is 2. That page is there in your main memory. So that is called page hit. So page hit, I am not representing anything here. Just I will change that color. Okay. See, I changed that color. Why? Here required thing is 2. Your page is there here. 4 as it is, 2 as it is, 3 as it is, because you are required this 2, right? That is already captured by the CPU. So and here star mark is not there. Don't put star mark because this is page hit. Only you have to put star mark for page fault. Now which is the next one required? 5. Fifth one is required. Fifth one is required means is that entry here? No, fifth one is not there here, but I have to replace this any one of the frame with the 5. So which one you have to replace? For that purpose we have to see previous 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. We have to see this row, which one is there in the last. Okay, last, which one first came out of 4, 2, 3, that we have to replace. But while saying this, we have to avoid whatever page hit column is there, right? We have to avoid this. Very, very important. Don't see this while seeing which one came first. I will go for example 5. I want to place 5 in this 3 frames, any one of the frame. Which algorithm? FIFO. Which is first, then that is out. So 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Don't see this. Okay, here 4 is there because this column completely page hit, that's why 4 is there. Then 2 here, 3 here, so 2 3 4, which one first came here out of 3? 2 3 4, first is 2, that's why I have to replace 2. So I will replace 2 and I will put here 5. See, I replace 2, I will put 5. 4 5 3, remaining two things as it is. Which one came first out of this, I have to replace that. 5 is came here, and again 5 was not there here, that's why I have taken from secondary memory, so that is also page fault, mention star here. Then I will go for another one. 3, is that entry 3 is here? Yes, here 3 is there in the frame 3, right? So no need to replace. So this is called page hit because that particular number is there here, page hit. So page hit, I changed it color. Okay, 3 required, that 3 is here, 4 5 3, and again star mark is not required because this is page hit. Now 4 is required. 4 is required means yes, that entry is here, right? Previously we have that. So anyway, that is captured by the CPU. So again this color also changes, 4 5 3, because 4 is required, 4 5 3. Now go for 2. 2 is required by the CPU, but out of 4 5 3, is that 2 is there? No. So we have to replace that page, right? Which page we have to replace? That we have to see. Out of 4 5 3, which one came first? Out of 4 5 3, which one came first? So while seeing that, don't calculate this one, this one, this one. Okay, out of 4 5 3, which one came first? 5 is the last, 4 then 3, so 3 4 5. So these are the three numbers we have in order, 3 4 5. So 3 came first, we have to replace that with 2. See, 3 I replace it with the 2, so 4 5 2. This is a 2, is there 2 here? No, that's why we taken from secondary memory. So here page fault. Now we have to go for 6. 6 is here? No, 6 is not there. That's why what we have to do, take that from secondary memory. Main memory we don't have 6, that's why we have to take from secondary memory. What to do now? Out of this, which one came first? Calculate. Here 2 is there. Okay, here 2 is there. 5 is there here, and 4 is there here. 4 5 2. That's why 4 came first. We have to replace 4 with 6, and this is also page fault. See, 6 5 2, page fault. Now 7 is required. CPU asking 7, but 7 is there here? No. In 3 frames 7 is not there. So we have to replace any one of the page. Which page we have to replace, or which frame we have to replace? That same thing, FIFO. So 6 5 2, 6 is here, 5 2 is here, 5 is here, 5 2 6. We have to check only these three numbers. Okay, 5 2 6. Out of this 5 came first, that's why replace 5. So replace 5 and add 7 here. Okay, now this is also page fault. Now 8 is asking by CPU. 8, so we have to replace 1. 6 7 2. Here we have 7, here we have 6, here we have 2. Out of these 3, which one came first? 2 came first. Remove that and add the 8. See, that is also page fault because that entry was not there, that's why we taken. And 7 asking, 7 is there entry? Yes, out of these 3 we have 7 here, that's why no need to capture from secondary memory. So you are getting same entry here also, but that is a page hit, so no need to make enter star here. I will change that color. And 9 asking, is that 9 entry is here? No, so we have to take that. So we have to replace that. Which one we have to replace? See, 6 is here, 7 is here, and required another one 8 here. So out of 6 7 8, which one came first? 6. Replace that 6 and add 9 here. That is also page fault. And 9 7 8, required is 7. Yes, that entry is there, so again page hit. Then 8 asking, 8 is here, so that is also page hit. Repeat again that same thing. Okay, now 2 is asking by CPU. That means CPU asking 2, but that entry is here? No, not means that is automatically, that is a page fault. So here you can write a star mark. Then 2 it is CPU asking 2 means which one we have to 9 7 8 3 frames are there. Which one we have to replace? 9 is here, then 7 is here, 8 is here, we have to replace 7, right? So replace 7 and add 2 here, 9 to 8, that is also page fault. And 5 asking 5 is there? No. Then compare 9 to 8, which one came first? 2 here, 9 here, 8 here, replace 8 and add 5 there, that is also page fault. Then last one 4, is there entry 4? No. So compare 9 to 5, 9 here, 2 is here and 5 is here, 2 5 9, 9 came first out of these 3, right? So replace 9, yes, I got 4 to 5, so that is also page fault. So last thing is we have to calculate how many hit is there, how many fault is there, page fault and page hit. So all this total how many entries are there, totally how many number they given, that much entry, so that is 19 here to here, totally 19 entries are there, 19 numbers, okay, 19 numbers asked by CPU, 19 pages, so total 19. So ratio how to calculate, hit ratio, hit means how many hit are there out of this one is hit 1 2 3 4 5 6, so whichever I kept blank that is a hit, or which I have changed color that is hit. So 6 divided by total number of entries 19 into 100, that is your hit ratio in terms of percentage. Then what is the fault ratio? So how many star mark I added, that we have to calculate. Totally we have 13 divided by 19 into 100, so 19 is the total entry, so that is a fault ratio in terms of percentage. So just cross check 13 plus 6 19, so that total 13 faults, 6 hit, so you will get hit ratio and fault ratio. So this is the related to FI FO, very important algorithm. Next we will go for second type, optimal replacement. What do you mean by optimal replacement? The discovery of Belody, that means previous slide, lead to search for an optimal page replacement algorithm. That means what is this? Which simply which yields the lowest of all possible page faults and which does not suffer from Belody anomaly. So that is actually one problem, whatever disadvantage in the previous one, that we are going to avoid here. So what we are going to do here is, see this algorithm is replace the page that will not be used for longest time in the future. Very important line, replace the page that will not be used for longest time in the future. So this algorithm we have to use, we will see that example, okay. See, this is the string given, reference string, that means the CPU asking this pages. Now OS should supply these pages. If that page entry is there in memory, that is page hit. If that page entry is not there in memory, that is a page fault. They given memory, what is their memory size? 3 frames. So 1 2 3 frames are there, and this is a hit and fault, and this is a string given, okay. We will start that. First 1, CPU asking 1, is there an entry in memory? Nothing is there, so automatically that is called page fault. So we have to take that entry 1, page 1 from your secondary memory to primary memory, take that. Now second one 2, we have to take that 2, but is there an entry 2 here? No. Then we have to take this 2 from secondary memory to primary memory. That entry you can change, I will add that. So that is also page fault because entry is not there, that's why I am taking from secondary memory. Next 3, is there entry 3? No, that's why I am taking from secondary memory, again page fault, yes. Now go for 4. So 4, is there an entry 4? No, I have to take from secondary, again it is page fault, you can put star mark here, again page fault. But which one we have to replace? Which one is who is a victim out of these 3? Who is a victim? Victim means we are going to remove that particular page and we are going to add that. So who is the victim out of this 1 2 3? That purpose we are using page replacement algorithm, that is optimal. Now in this concept, listen carefully. So see, from this particular number, that is here we are seeing 3, right? After this, now we have to go for 4. 4 is not there, so starting from 4, that is after this, compare all numbers. We have to see all numbers. Okay, out of that, which one is asked last? Which one is asked last out of these three? 1, 2, 3 entry. Which one is asked in this list last? That is a manner. So that one we have to replace. I will go for 1, 2, 3 is there. Out of this, which one we have to replace? So starting from here. So here, yeah, don't compare from here. Starting from here, this after 4, because we are changing 4, right? After 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is asked here. Then 3 is asked. Then 1 is not there. Yes, 1 is not there. So what is your opinion? We have to change 1, right? 1 is not asked. First one is asked here 2, then asked is 3. 1 is not there. You can replace 1. So in this place, replace 1. Sorry, we replace this change 1 with 4. Yes, I changed. And this is same, this is same. Actually 4 was not there. That's why this is page fault. And 2, is there an entry true? Sorry, 2. Yes, 2 is there. So no need to call from secondary memory. That page, particular page is there in frame 2. So write as it is. Write as it is. Then that is a hit. That's why don't put a star mark there. Either put right mark or keep it blank. Then 5. 5 means it is asking with the secondary memory, because entry is not there, right? So 5 we have to replace. So see, 4, 2, 3. These 3 you have to see, 4, 2, 3. And after 5, whatever numbers are there, in that number, which out of these 3, which one asked last? See that. And here 3 asked, then 4 asked, then 2 asked. So 3, 4, 2. So we have to replace last one, that is a 2. Replace that 2 with 5. See, I replace 2 with 5. Then 4 and 3 as it is, keep it as it is. And there is a actually entry was not there, that's why there is also page fault. And 3 entry is there, there is a page hit, no need to put star. See, this is a page hit, keep it as it is. Then 4 is there, so that is also page hit, no need to enter again. So as it is, keep it as it is. Then 2 is not there here out of these 3 frame. 2 is not there, so you have to ask with the secondary memory. OS will replace that particular page. Which page it will replace? Again 4, 5, 3. 4 from after 2 we have to check, because 2 is your destination. Here we have to apply, right? So 2 we don't put see 2. After 2 we have to see numbers. 4, 5, 3. 4 is here, 5 is here, and 3 is not there. Yes, easily we can replace 3, because 3 is not there here, right? So in this place 3, add 2. 4, 5, 2. Again this is not, it was not there, so we are going for page fault. Then 6, is there an entry 6? No. So which one we have to replace? 4, 5, 2. Compare after 6, what are the numbers are there? Compare in that. 4, 5, 2. 4 is here, 5 is here, 2 is here. In out of these 3, which one is asked last? 4, right? 4 asked last. Replace 4. See, replace 4 with 6. There is also page fault. Then 7, is there an entry? No, we have to replace 6, 5, 2. So after 7 we have to compare, because here we have to replace, that's why. After 7, see 6 is no, 6 is not there. What about 5? 5 is here. And what about 2? 2 is here. 2 and 5 is there. 6 is not there. So easily we can replace 6, right? We can replace 6. So change 6 to 7 and 5 to. Keep it as it is. This is also page fault, because the entry was not there. 7 was not there, that's why we are replacing. If there is any replacement, directly put fault. Okay, there is no replacement, keep it as it is, then put tick mark or keep it blank. That is a page hit. Then 8. 8 means is there any 8 entry? No. So we have to, what to do here? 7, 5, 2. Take 7, 5, 2. 7 is here. Then 5 here, 2 here. Which one? 7, 2, 5. 5 is the last. So replace 5. Replace 5 and write 8. This is also page fault. Then 7, go for 7. So 7 is here, no need, keep it as it is, already there, there is a page hit. Then 9, is there any 9 entry? 9 entry is not there. So 7 8 2, here 7 is there, here 8 is there, here 2 is there, 3 numbers, same number. Out of that 3, last one is 2, right? So replace this 2 with the 9. Yes, replaced. Then we have to go for another one, that is 7 8 9. Here asking is 7, so keep it as it is. 7 is there, right? So keep it as it is. That is a page hit. Then 8 asking, 8 is there, so keep it as it is. That is also page hit. Then 2 is not there, so we have to replace. Out of these 3 prime, we have to replace any one, because CPU asking 2. We have to move that 2 here. That's why we replace any one. How to replace? 7 8 9. 7 is after 2 we have to compare. 7 is not there, 8 is not there, 9 also not there. So you can take any one of the frame for replacing 2. I will replace 7, here I will add 2. That is your option. After this there is no demand, right? So anyway you can add here. Then 5 is not there, that's why again you have to put page fault. Okay, 5 is not there, so 2 I replaced here. So 5, there is no entry, right, after this. So 8 9 2 is not there after this. So any one of the page you can replace easily. Yes, I will replace second one, frame 2. Then 4, anyway another you can replace. Yes, here I replace it, no problem, because any entry is not there after this. So this is your memory now. So you have to calculate how many entries are there, total entries, that is a 19. And how many page faults are there, there is a star mark is there, right? That is a page fault. Calculate that. Totally page faults are 13. And out of that and how many this page hits are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 page hits are there. Write that into 100 is equal to some percentage. Fault ratio also is equal to some percentage. This is your optimal. Okay, concentrate about this optimal. So in exam you may get either frame size 3 or frame size 4. Be ready for that. And another one is the LRU page replacement. LRU page replacement algorithm predict the page that has not been used in the longest time. That has not been used the longest time. This is the algorithm. Okay, is one of that will not use it again in near future. So I will explain that with the example itself. So let us go for same example. Same thing I considered. Reference string is this one. That is a string, means the CPU asking this string for execution purpose with the memory. So memory, if that entry is there, then that is page hit. That entry is not there, then page fault. If there is any page fault, then we have to replace. That replacing algorithm is LRU, least recently used. So frame size is 3 frames are there. We will start with here same concept, 1. So 1, is there an entry? No. So no entry means that definitely here page fault is there, star. Then you have to put 1 here. Yes. Then 2 is there here? No. So write here 2 and page fault. Yes. 3 entry is not there, so write 3 and page fault. Yes. Then 4 entry is not there, so you have to write page fault here, write star mark. Then see which one you have to replace. We have to replace because CPU asking that we have to replace any one. Which one? So out of 1 2 3 least recently used LRU algorithm you are using. So 1 2 3 you have to see left side. In the optimal we see in right side, right? So here we have to see left side. In the left side, this side, which one used in the last? Okay, that means in this table it is first, but current position, which one used last, right? That we have to replace. That I will go for example here. 1 2 3 is there. 1 2 3 same number we have to compare in string also. 1 2 3. Out of this, which one first asked? 1, then 2, then 3. So 3 is recently asked. So here somewhat recent, here last, right? So replace 1 with 4. Replace 1 with 4. 4 to 3. That is also page fault. Is that 2 entries here? Yes, 2 entries there. No need to go for page fault. Page hit. That is called page hit. 5. Is there 5 entry? No, 5 is not there. So that is automatically page fault. Then you have to replace 5. So where we have to replace 5? So here 4 2 3. Which one we have to replace? 4 2 3. Compare. So here we have 2. Then we have here 4. Then we have 3 3 4 2. So we have to replace 3. So this one we have to replace, and here write 5. Okay, then 3 asking 3. Here 3 is not there, so which one we have to replace out of this? 4 2 5. So here 5, here 2, here 4. 4 we have to replace because the last asked, here last came, right? So in the previous optimal, this side we have to see, right side. In this left side we have to see, only that is the changes. 4. So 4 means we have to replace 4 and write here 3. Then 3 to 5. So asking is 4. So 4 is not there. So again we have to replace. Out of 3 to 5, which one last came? That is last used. Okay, 3 to 5. 3 is here. 2 is here. 5 is here. Out of 2, 5, 3, 2 is here. Then recently asked. These two are recently asked. Last asked is 2. So replace 2 with the 4 here. Okay, that is also page fault. Then go for 2. Is there any 2 entry? Automatically this is page fault. 2 is not there, that's why page fault. Replace 2. So where we have to replace? 3, 4, 5. 4 is here, 3 is here, 5 is here. So we have to replace, you know, because first came here, right? So there is a 5. 5 we have to replace. Replace 5 and write here 2. Then 6. 6 also. 3, 4, 2. 2 here, 4 here, 3. So 3 we have to replace this one. So write here 6. Then out of 6, 4, 2, because we have to go for the 7 now, we have to enter 7, but here 6, 4, 2 is there. So which one we have to replace? 6 is here, then 2 is here, here 4. 4 we have to replace. 2 and 6 and recently asked. 4 we have to replace. Replace 4 and write here 7. That is also page fault. Okay, take care about this page fault and page hit. Okay, and 8. 8 asking, here 8 is not there. So go for this 6, 7, 2. 7 is here, 6 is here, 2 is here. 2 is last asked. So replace 2 with 8. Then 7. 7 is there. That is a page hit. No need to enter star here. Then 9. 9 is not there. So replace 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 6. 6 we have to replace. 8 and 7 here. 6 we have to replace. So start from here itself. Maybe here we have number, but don't see. Starting from at that current point, we have to see this side. 9, 7, 8. Okay. Now we need 7. Yes, that entry is there. That is a page hit. Then 8. 8 is there. That is also page hit. That entry is there. Then 2. We have to replace that. Which one we have to replace? 9, 7, 8. Here we have 8. Here we have 7. Here we have 9. So out of these 3, 9 last asked. So 9 we have to replace. Right here 2. 2, 7, 8. Again page fault. 5. Is there an entry? No, no entry. So 5 we have to replace somewhere. Where we have to replace? 2, 7, 8. 2 here, 8 here, 7 here. So last task is 7. So replace that. So right here 5. Then 4. 2, 5, 8. We have to go replace 4 somewhere. Where 2, 5, 8. 5 here, 2 here, 8 here. 8 we have to replace because 2, 5 are recently asked. Least recently asked is this one. Okay. That's why we have to replace 8. Replace 8 with the 4. Yes. So now calculate how many page fault and how many page hits, and use this formula and calculate your, that formula is total how many page fault is there, calculate that, divided by total number of entries into 100. That is your percentage. And page hit means how many blank space or tick mark is there, divided by total number of entries in 100. That is your page hit. So one changes in this and first service, that is of FIFO. Here we are seeing previously which one least asked, but in the previous case we are avoiding that. You can see that I added a red mark in the FIFO concept. Red mark because that particular thing we are not going to consider while seeing last asked. Okay, which one came first, which one came last, that concept we are perfectly applying here, but there we are not going to calculate that particular column. Whichever page hit is there, we are not going to concentrate. That is the main difference between this and that. Okay, now we will go for last algorithm, that is a second chance algorithm. What is second chance algorithm? The second chance algorithm is a FIFO. That is a FIFO method itself. Here one thing you have to remember, this one, if a page found with its reference bit is 0, then that page is selected as next victim. Okay, if the reference bit is 1, then the page is given a second chance and its reference bit is value is cleared. Okay, this is the main thing we are going to concentrate in second chance algorithm. I will explain with the example, because anyway theory part you can't understand here, so easily I will explain with the diagrams. So a question is given. Let us consider page reference string same as previous reference string. That means CPU asking these pages. Okay, we have 3 page slots. They will give page slot, that means the frame numbers f1, f2, f3, 3. Okay, in exam you can expect 4 also. Calculate the number of page fault, page fault we have to calculate. Okay, now we will start that solution. Number of page slot is 3, reference string is this one. So same as previous, you can write one table with the f1, f2, f3 and page hit or page fault you can write here. Then here just write that reference string. Same as previous table you can write one table. Okay, no need to refer this, same as previous you can maintain one table. Now first 2, CPU asking 2, is there an entry true? Oh, sorry, 2 entry is there? No. So you definitely this is page fault. So page fault and you can enter 2. Now that is a page fault. Now go for 3. Is there an entry 3? No, right? So 2 second here this is also page fault. Enter here 3. Yes, page fault F. Okay. Then go for 2. 2 is asking again. Is there an entry 2 here? Yes, 2 is there, right? So what is here special method is, if that particular number asked again, then we are giving chance to that particular number, second chance, that is called second chance. So here 2 is asking again, so this is called page hit. Okay, this is called page hit. So whatever number asking, that number is there here, so this is called page hit. So again it is asking, right? That's why we are giving second chance to this particular page. So how to represent second chance? See, initially we have same number you have to write 2, 2, 3, 3, but we are giving second chance, right? So in bracket we have to write 1, bit 1. Okay, this is very important. In bracket we have to mention bit 1, because we are CPU asked to that entry is here, page hit is there, so we are giving one chance to 2. Okay, so this one is okay. Now next one is asking 1. Is there one entry is here? No, right? So again page fault is there. Here see, this is page hit, that's why I added a tick mark. Here page fault is there, F. So here 2, again second chance is there, that's why 1 I return. 3 and 1 you can write here. Okay, and this is page fault. Now 5, see 5 is there here? No, 5 is not there, right? So which one we have to replace? For that purpose we have to see first in first out, same concept we have to apply, first in first out concept. So out of this 2, 3, 1, which one came first, that we have to see. 2, 3, 1. So 2 here, 3 here, 1 here. So 2, 3, 1. Which one came first? You can see from here. So we have to actually replace. We have to replace. See, 3 we have to replace. But one thing, actually here out of this, first in is which one? See, presently we are in this position. Okay, now 2, 3, 1 is your number. We have to replace one of the number. We have, because 5 want to go inside this frame. So which one we have to replace? Out of 2, 3, 1, 1 is here. Then 3 is here, 2 is here. So we can replace one of the thing. Okay, so based on first in first out, so first here we have to replace 2. So here see this one, like this we have to go, FI FO algorithm, second chance algorithm, like this we have to go. So 2, actually we have to replace 2, but we are giving one extra chance for 2. Okay, we are giving one extra chance for 2. So if you are giving extra chance for 2 means, so we this 1 becomes 0, and we have to write 2 here. Then what is the second thing? If you are giving second chance to 2 means, which one next we have to replace? That is according to FIFO algorithm, 3. So replace 3 with 5. So write here 2, 5, 1, but only last chance given to 2. This method is very important. Okay, then we have to go for again replacing 2. So 2 is there, right? 2 is there in this entry. So again we are giving second chance for 2. How to give second chance? Write 251 as it is, 251 as it is. but in the place of 2 we are giving writing in place of 0 again we are giving 1. Okay, again second chance given to 2, and this is page hit. This is page hit, second chance is given to 2 because 2 is asked again. Then go for 4. If you're going for 4, is there an entry of 4 here? 4 entry is not there. So which one we have to replace? See, which one we have to replace? We have to replace 1. Why we replace 1? See, we are asking 4. Okay, CPU asking 4. But now in the previous here 2, 5, 1 is there. 4 is not there. So we have to replace any one of this. So out of 2, 5, 1. So see, 2 is here. 5 is here. 1 is here. Out of 2, 5, 1, which one asked first? That is a 1, right? 1. So replace this. So you actually this is first in first out. So just remove this. Out of 2, 5, 1, we have to remove this. Here you can go for this method also. Another one we seen, right? LRU method also you can apply. Okay, any one of the algorithm we can apply here for second chance. So here 1 we have to replace. So 2, 5, 1 is a least task. So replace that. How to replace that? Here 1 is least task, so we replaced. Okay, so next 5 is coming inside that. Yeah, 5 any entry is there, right? So write 2, 5, 4, no problem. Then go for 3. 3 is 3 want to enter inside this. Is there an entry 3? 3 is not there. So 2, 5, 4 is there. 3 is not there. So which one we have to replace? Which algorithm we have to use and which one we have to replace? So they replaced 2. They replaced 2 with the 3. So can you tell me why? Why they ask? So 2 with the why they replaced 2 with 3 again? So here compare 2, 5, 4 is there. So out of 2, 5, 4, 5 is here and 4 is here, 2 is here. 2 is least asked, right? So replace this one 2. Okay, we have to replace 2. Again second chance is gone here. Second chance gone because one chance is given to 2 here and that is also gone. So now here 4 in this part you can see 2, 5, 4 was there and 5 is asked again. So for 5 we are giving second chance. That second chance is represented by bit 1. Now 3, CPU asking 3, which one we have to replace? 2, 5, 4, we have to compare. 5 is here, 4 is here, 2 is here. 2 we have to replace. So there is no second chance for 2, right? Replace that. 3, 5, 4. But second chance is there for 5. Because inside the bracket we written 1, second chance is there. So now 2 is asked. 2 want to go inside the memory. That means CPU asking 2. Now which one we have to replace out of 3, 5, 4? Compare. 3, 5, 4. 3 is here, 5 is here, 4 is here. So actually 4 we have to replace, right? 4 we have to replace. Yes. Now 3 we have to get inside this. 3 is there, so give one again chance to 3. Okay, 3 is there, so second chance is given to 3. So here we in bracket we have to write 1. This is called page hit. Then last one is a 5. 5 is there, right? So again we are giving 5 is there, that's why write as it is 3, 5, 2. So second chance and no chance, that is represented by 1. No need to enter here 1 and 0. That is a little bit confusing. So easily, if you know that concept, easily you can write. So any I will tell you that method again. So any number in the reference string, any number is repeated. So here we have 2. Again 2 is asking. That means we are giving one extra chance for 2. That's why we are giving 1 here inside the bracket, because we are giving one extra chance for 2. That is called second chance. Okay, that second chance is if that completed, then we can that means if there is any loss of second chance, see here 0 is there. Okay, then here 2 second chance is not there. 2 0 means second chance is not there. 2 and in bracket 1 means second chance is there. Now we have to calculate number of faults and number of hits. Okay, if any doubt in this concept, you can contact me. Okay, now we will go for number of hits and number of faults. So how many F is there, how many tick mark is there, so you have to calculate that, and you can go for number of page faults and number of page hits, and in terms of percentage you can go for that. Okay, another problem we got in the previous question paper, one problem, so I will go for that problem here. So given memory partition of 100K, 500K, 200K, 300K and 600K, these are the memory partitions given. Okay, that is in order they given. How would each of the first bit, best fit, worst fit? So we seen already what do you mean by first fit, best fit, worst fit algorithm in the module 3, that is in memory management concept. So here they given algorithm, place process 212, 417, 112 and 426 in order. That means these are the pages. Okay, now these are the pages we have to put in this memory part. Okay, so this is a frame, 100K, 500, 200, 300, 600, these are the frames. Now these are the pages. How you are going to put these pages in frames? That is the method, first fit, best fit and worst fit. We have to use 3 methods. So go for this. This question is asked for 10 marks. First fit method. So again I will repeat, these are the pages and these are the frames. We have to put pages inside frames. How we are going to put? First fit method. So actually this first fit method means big enough. Just we are going to put this pages inside your memory, that means in frame randomly. So take first one, 212. 212 we have to put in one of the frame. Which frame they added? 500K frame they added to 212 page, and 417 frame page they added in 600K frame. 112, that is the third one, 112 page is added in 288 frame. How you got 288? That is another question. How? Here formula is given, that is a 500 is there, right? Here 500 is there. Out of 500 only 212 is filled. 500 minus 212, what is the remaining thing? That is a 288. There we are going to add 112. Okay, and the last one, 426, it must wait, because you can see 426, is there any space? 100, see, out of any frame related to 426, 100 we can't add 426 in 100, and 500 we can put, but we already used 500, and 200 we can't put 46 page. 300 also this is big, right? So 300 also we can't put. Then 600 we can put, but 426 we can put in 600K, but 600 already used, right? So 426 must wait. Then go for best fit. Best fit method means smallest required frame. So 212. See, first thing 212. Which one is smallest thing of 212 out of frame? Which one is smallest? 100 we can't. 212 we can't put in 100. 500 we can put, but again compare other. 200, yes, we can put here. No, that is also not possible. This is small, right? 300, yes, we can put 212 here. So this is small enough. So we can put 212 inside 300. Now 417, second process 417. Compare again. 100 we can't. This one can't put in 100. Again here also we can't put. Yes, we can't put in 500. So compare with other also. 200 we can't put. 300 we can't put. 600 we can put, but lesser memory is 500 is there, right? Take that and put this 417 in 500K. Then 112K, which is a lesser frame for 112, 200, right? Take that. Then 426 they added in 600. Yes. So these are the best fit method. Another one is a worst fit. Worst fit means any page, any size page we can put any size frame. That means here first one is a 212. See 212, they added in 600. Actually 600 is not required, that is a large one, big enough, but we are putting that 212 in this. Second one is a 417, that is also we are going to put in 500. 112 we are going to put in 388. How we got 388 means actually 600 minus 212, remaining is 212. Sorry, 600 minus 212, remaining is 388. We are going to put this 112 in 388. At that time, last one must wait, 4 to 6 must wait. So main agenda of this is don't use worst fit and don't use first fit. Try to use best fit in any memory method. Okay, that is the meaning of this. So like this we completed some of the repeated problems in the question paper. So any doubt you can contact me. Thank you.